Welcome to our van life with our three good dogs, episode 87. We're at Lake Comanche to celebrate togetherness and van life with Storyteller Overland friends while also exploring the area. We thank you all for joining in and watching.
Storytellers Bay Area group. Couple folks rustling. We were hanging out by the fire pretty late last night, so expect some slow get back. But we'll have to go over and check out the lake pretty soon.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our van life. I'm here with little Bail Organa. She is just a little over 6 months old. The hair on her ears are growing. We call them Yoda ears. This weekend, we're here at Lake Comanche in Sacramento, California. We're here for a vansgiving with friends, and it's the first weekend of November. Today we're gonna go walk around and look at the lake and then join our friends for Vansgiving. We are having potluck for dinner tonight, so we can't wait for that. We got here late last night, Friday night. We had to wait until after work to start driving out here, but we're happy to be here, happy to be with friends, and we'll show you around the campsite.
Mommy's not so. Mine, hers. We are switching to almond milk creamer. No more of that macro stuff. Eventually, hopefully we can go black, but this is pretty good. If you haven't tried it, it's still French vanilla, but has a pretty good caloric options and a lot of additives. You ready to go for a walkies? Getting ready to go walkies. You crazy girl. Oh, she's leaving without you. They have a restaurant, probably for the summer seasonal months. Marina Grill. This place must be hopping in the summertime. So this feels like summer. It's like 80 degrees in November. So people are missing out. I feel like I can almost go jump down into that lake right there. This is really cool. This is definitely one of the nicer like private lake areas, because a lot of them are really steep and dusty, and these guys actually have some grass and some facilities, and we got a gas station. Big fish. So this is another campground, showers and laundry. And looks like when you take off from that boat launch to get out to the main lake, you head up this way. So this is an example of a California reservoir. So different to me, but they dug out all these channels and then fit campgrounds all around it. So all this is dredged, and we're lucky enough to be here when everything's pretty full, even in the winter time. I'm sure the water looks like it goes up a little bit higher, probably at the high water point in the spring. But this is great to see these reservoirs full up. What do you think of this place, Pia?
This place is huge.
And
how big is it?
It's big. This is another big restroom, shower complex. So many different types of campgrounds to book. Sometimes you gotta use the resources that are given.
Girl. Some tired chihuahuas from their walkies.
Dude, this place is so big.
Huge, right?
God.
This is half, too, you know.
Right.
North Shore.
It's just the South Shore. It's basically like got the whole crew,
How was your walk?
So fun.
It got hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These guys got. Unglove him.
Pay for mom because I don't know. We didn't have a sign up. It was quite an adventure.
Yeah, I bet.
We'll find out.
Some tired chihuahuas.
Turkey going in.
I know where the six cat. No backing out now, buddy.
You are now. You are now.
Oh, look, it's stuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh it's no. Fighting. It's fighting you. It's going down. It doesn't want it. It's
Nice.
screaming in pain. Well, it's not hot enough.
Oh yeah, it's going.
Tell her. From the peanut gallery. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah. Oh, there's even more. In my dream house. Is this yours?
Our son lives not far from the spot.
Got deep fried turkey out. And we got smoked ham double on the way to being done. Coming off.
Oh!